What's up, lovely people? We are back in the lab. Not that I ever left, but we still here. It's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. So we got the crank, test fit the new oil pump. So that is lovely, man. Just lovely. So brand new. Still got the tape on the holes. So look at that billet back in plate. Let me take this off so you can see it. There you go. There you go. So look at there. So that is lovely. That is awesome. Doesn't get too much more better than that. I mean, yeah, no. So got the lovely billet backing plate with the what they call the sine drive. So you have a lot more surface area contact with this style of spline. I mean, this is good. It's better than just the two flats. Even though you can get the other collar that has larger flats, this gives you even more surface area contact to drive this inner gear. So you got a lot of meat touching. So also this housing, man, this housing is a beast. So this is all larger because the gears themselves are wider. So that's another improvement. This is what you're paying for, you know what I'm saying? It's got the plugs in these. There's some trickery you can do here if you wanted to do an external pump or so, or if you want to open this and clean it, you can do that. So right now we got the rings all laid out. I've already gapped these last weekend, so I'll probably put the top rings back in and just double check, maybe give them one more touch to just bring them right on up to the number. So I'm going 18 and 22. So yeah. So then they go to pistons, man. That shit is lovely too, man. Look at that. Them motherfuckers look like chrome. Yeah, that's a awesome surface finish. So yeah, man. This shit is lovely. So you can see here all that added support on the pin boss, which goes into the dome area on the bottom side. So that is thick, the head on these pistons. Then also got the thick wall heavy duty pin. So a normal pin is about not half as thick, just a little more than half. So 2/3 if you think about it in thirds. So a standard pin is about 2/3 the wall thickness of this. So this is a heavy duty, and it's not that heavy either. So this is some form of tool steel, I believe. But yeah, just lovely, just lovely. So all heavy duty, man, heavy duty. This crank also, this is the BC billet crank. This crank is a beast, and it's beautiful, man. This hardware is beautiful, man. If you know, you know. If you can appreciate good metal and machine work and just quality, you know what I'm talking about. It is beautiful. So shout out to Mr. Dave again. 6-Pin Machine Shop. All you fellas in the SoCal area, if you need simple machine work all the way to, high-end stuff, he can do it. That's the man over there. Check him out now. So here's the block. You already saw that. So this bad boy ready. So I'll give this thing another thorough cleaning with lots of solvent, air, high pressure. Blow out all the passageways, all the bolt holes, head bolt holes, everything. Give this thing another deep clean to then go ahead and get prepared. Start to assemble the short block. That's what we're going to be doing over the next couple of days. So today I'll go ahead and start to, we got our clips right here. So I'll start to fit all the pins in the rods, make sure all that stuff is moving freely like it's supposed to. And then we'll go ahead and start assembling. Put this bad boy together. Cooking in the kitchen. I'm out of here. Later.